Well, right now we're in Nepal, and we're in the south of Nepal. It's in a place called the Terai, which is the lowlands, which is all the way at the base of the Himalayas. And I'm here because in the Terai is one of the largest populations of the endangered Bengal tiger. And I'm here to research the Bengal tiger in order to advance some conservation efforts.
A trip to this part of the globe begins with a stop in Kathmandu, a place teeming with life and the exhaust of life. It's packed with cars and motorcycles, trucks and noise, and people. But just a few hours away is another Nepal, and it's not the mountains you might be expecting. It's the lowlands at the base of the Himalayas. Rich, fertile country where a basic way of life is still the way of life. A place where getting around on elephants isn't so rare, even if it is a bit bumpy. It's here in Chitwan National Park, down near the border with India, that we head out with Neil Carter, who's doing his research.
I'm here to study the way that tigers and people interact, because tigers are a globally endangered species, and they're endangered because of human activities.
It's 21 miles across the English Channel. It is the swimming equivalent of Mount Everest. These 6 strong women make up the Channel for ALS team. They decided not only to swim from England to France, but to touch France and come all the way back. A 42-mile trek, all in an effort to help a friend and raise money for ALS research. They've trained in the dark and through the cold for the past 2 years. And their goal is not only complete the swim, but to set a world record. They want to do it faster than any other women relay team ever before. Come, follow them on their journey as they are swimming towards a cure.
It is about 4:30 a.m. We're here at the Dover Marina, and we are just about ready to get on the boat to head out for our swim.
To swim the English Channel is sort of like the natural big challenge in swimming.
What we want to do is just grab the names of all the swimmers and everybody else that's on board today. And swimmer number 6.
Mercer, M-E-R-C-E-R, and I'm 44.
Okay, all good. So all we have to say now is good luck, and let's hope you bust this.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Thank you.
Good luck. Good luck.
This man is Seth Mayhem Mitchell. He steps into the ring with a wife, 2 kids, a college degree, and the ashes of old dreams on his shoulders. But the ashes of old dreams can set fire to new dreams. He calls himself a warrior, a Spartan. He fights for his family, his friends, his community. His big shoulders carry heavy expectations and the dreams of others. This man is on a journey. This, tonight, this fight, this is the next step. And the dream is on the other side of the bell.
One, two, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Left up, cut hook. And the right hand.
We're in Clinton, Maryland at my gym of Kirby Road Dream Team Boxing. Come here, this is my home, this is where I train at. We're in the heart of training camp. We got about 3.5 weeks to go. I'm breaking my body down, but it's what I gotta do to be prepared to go to battle on December 10th, and I'll be ready.
I'm hurting right now. I'm tired, but I feel good. It's a good hurt.
It hurts. It's mentally and physically draining, but I know that I'm doing it for a reason. I know why I'm doing it. I know that after the fight, when you know, they say, you know, I'm still undefeated, and they raise my hand in victory, you know, that's the best feeling.
Find it. There you go. Find it. I knew you had it.
I want to hurt here. I don't want to hurt in the ring.
Right now it's straight training. It's just eat, sleep, run, train. Eat, sleep, run, train. It's the same thing over and over again. So I'm not having fun right now. But I see my children when I'm training. I see my wife because that's who I'm fighting for.
I saw just by myself in the last 5 years a huge revolution in this industry. So the snow in the point is protecting the very, very sensitive part.
Paolo Sabatini's with MSU. He says this state can always use more good news.
It's an exponential growth in this industry as number of acreage, as number of wineries, and this requires a lot of investments you can think about. So there is a lot of economical investment in this industry, and it's an industry that's looking forward to grow, in my opinion.
And the good news here is written with the help of Michigan State University. And the news is so good it might even make some skeptics a little tipsy with happiness.
Not a lot of people know, but Michigan ranks 5 in the United States as a grape production state, and we rank in the top 10 states as a wine production. I think people will be surprised to know that our wines are winning international competition. So they're winning competition not only in the United States, but also in Europe, in the core of the grape and wine production regions of the world.